Master your money in minutes. Financial literacy for beginners. Do you know the biggest mistake people make with money? They don't understand it. Pause for effect. What if I told you that mastering just a few simple financial lessons can change your life forever? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how. So, what is financial literacy? Financial literacy is all about understanding how money works and how to use it wisely. It's the ability to budget, save, invest, and manage your finances smartly. Think of it as the secret weapon to living a stress-free life where money problems don't control you. When you're financially literate, you're setting yourself up for success. And the earlier you start, the better your future will be. Education is the key to building wealth, so let's unlock those doors right now. Let me ask you this. What's scarier, losing your wallet or losing your financial future? Understanding money helps you avoid common pitfalls like drowning in debt, getting scammed, or struggling to retire. Here's a shocking stat. A recent study showed that 28% of Americans have zero retirement savings. That's not just a problem, it's a crisis. Financial literacy is like a life jacket. It keeps you afloat even in the roughest financial waters. Whether it's planning for retirement, saving for college, or just managing day-to-day expenses, being financially literate is your ticket to staying safe and stress-free. Here's the hard truth. If you don't control your money, someone else will. Financial illiteracy can lead to unsustainable debt, bad credit foreclosure, even bankruptcy. And that's not all. People without financial knowledge are often easy targets for scams and fraud. The good news? You can avoid all this with the right education. Let's dive into the skills that can protect your future. Want to know the secret to managing money like a pro? It all starts with these skills. Budgeting. Always track how much you earn and where it's going. Use apps or even just a notebook to map out your expenses. Debt management. Pay down high-interest debts first and avoid using credit cards recklessly. Saving. Remember the golden rule, pay yourself first. Set aside money for emergencies and future goals. Investing. Make your money work for you by investing in stocks, mutual funds, or even an employer-sponsored 401k. These are the building blocks of financial success, and trust me, they're easier to master than you think. Here's a money hack no one talks about. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Let's talk about compound interest. It's like planting a money tree. The longer you let it grow, the bigger it gets. For example, if you start saving just $100 a month at 18, you'll have way more money by retirement than someone who starts at 30. Time is your biggest ally, so don't wait to start saving and investing. All right, let's make this real. Here are 5 steps you can take today to master your money. Create a budget. Write down your income and expenses. See where your money is going. Save for emergencies. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Check your credit. Request a free credit report every year and review it for mistakes. Pay bills on time. Avoid late fees and keep your credit score healthy. Learn and grow. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts online. Each of these steps takes just a few minutes, but the payoff can last a lifetime. Let me share a quick story to bring this all to life. Emma, a high school teacher, started teaching her students about budgeting and saving. One of her students, Jake, applied what he learned and avoided taking on too much student loan debt for college. Instead, he started a side hustle to cover his expenses. By the time he graduated, Jake had zero debt and a solid savings account. That's the power of financial literacy in action. Here's the bottom line. Financial literacy isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. And now it's your turn to take control. Start today by creating a budget, saving for emergencies, and learning more about managing money. Don't let a lack of knowledge hold you back from achieving your dreams. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Free Money for more tips that will change your life. Let's grow smarter and richer together.